The thing about trading is it's a learned observation. As a trader, you learn to observe things, and from the observation you find setups or you find things. There's a good lesson in market move yesterday. As you can see, yesterday the market bounced back, and that bounce back was to be expected. And what was the reason? The market was down 5 days in a row. Now we have an indicator which we monitor, which is called how many stocks are up or down 20% in last 5 days, and that reading went above 100, which is typically based on past observation. The moment it goes above 100, the market tends to bounce. So as a result of that, you had a reflex bounce. Now what happened yesterday, which you can see here in the market, right, is the same thing which is going to happen multiple times in your trading career. But if you sat down, wrote down the observation, studied the observation, really reflected on the observation, then what happens is you start building a deeper understanding of how market works, right? I have this study which I do every day, which is study 20% plus. After studying this study, doing this study, I observed that the stock which make 20% plus moves, they start with a bang, and that is why the 4% breakout came in. If a stock is going to make a big move, it starts with a 4% breakout, right? If a stock is going to make a move. Now, that observation and a keen observation and looking at that is the reason why I scan for things in a certain way, right? So there was a 4% breakout and the stock made 20% move or apron, right? And the moves don't start without a range expansion. Now that's an observation. Observation can be converted into money. So if you can see these kind of thing and build a library of such observation, you'll become a better trader. You want to find 20% move in a week? Study 20% movers for the week. Every day, write down your observation and apply that learning to find the next 20% move. You don't want to find a 20% move, but you want to find 100% move in a year, study 100% move. For this, I have a scan called Double Trouble. Write your observation down, apply learning to find next 100% move. Whenever you hear something from others, check, see if you can observe that phenomena, see if it is true, can it be verified. That way many of the things which you can see from others, you will be able to, without doing too much reflection, you will be able to put to practice. So do that. And unless you have this kind of approach to trading and self leadership, trading will be very difficult or impossible for you. Trading requires two things: it requires self efficacy beliefs to be high and self leadership. And that, if you want to do, then start getting into observing things and write down notes and having extensive notes. And learned observation will make you a better trader in a very short period of time.